Stuck with a blank FAQ page on your Namecheap site? Watch this to add and edit questions in under 2 minutes. We'll start by opening your site editor. Then click through the FAQ section to add your first question. Let's go. First, navigate to your Namecheap dashboard. This is the control center for all your sites, so if you've already logged into your account, you're halfway there. You'll want to find the Website Builder section. That's where your site lives. Once you're in, look for the option to edit or manage your existing site.
It should be pretty obvious. A big button that says Edit Site or something similar. Go ahead and click on that. Now find the FAQ page in your site menu. This might be listed under a tab that says Pages, or you might see it directly in the visual preview of your site on the left-hand side. In my experience editing Namecheap sites, the page structure is usually laid out right there in the sidebar. Look for the page that has your FAQs. It might already be called FAQ or Frequently Asked Questions. Click on that to open it up. All right, so now we're looking at your actual FAQ page. You'll see a few placeholder boxes. One will say Question 1, another will say Question 2, and so on. Click on the first question placeholder. Just tap it once, and you should see a text field appear so you can start typing. Now type your actual question. This is where you replace that generic Question 1 text with something real. For example, if you run a bakery, you might type, "How long do your sourdough loaves stay fresh?" Or if you offer a service, something like, "What are your business hours?" The key here is to be clear and direct. Think about what your customers actually ask you. Go ahead and type your question in there. Next, click the highlighted area to edit the answer. You'll notice that right below your question, there's a big block of text that probably says something like, "Your answer goes here." Click right on that text. A cursor should appear, letting you know you're in edit mode. Type your answer here. This is your chance to be genuinely helpful. Don't just give a one-word response. Expand a little. For that bakery example, you could write, "Our sourdough stays fresh for 3 to 5 days if stored in a cool, dry place. For longer storage, we recommend slicing and freezing it." See what I did there? I gave a direct answer and a helpful tip. That builds trust with your visitors. Keep your answers concise but useful. Finally, click Continue to save changes. You'll see a button at the top of the editor or maybe in a floating panel. It'll say Continue or Save. Tap that. Your site will process the update. It might take a moment to save, so give it just a second. And that's it. You've gone from a static FAQ page with no questions to a fully interactive section where your visitors can actually find answers. Your site already looks more professional and complete. If you have more questions to add, just repeat the same process for the other placeholders. Thanks for watching and happy building.